Hey guys, my name is Maki and I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieve my easy, effortless wing liner. This is perfect for everyone, but especially for my beginners. I'm using the Perfect Stroke Longwear Gel Eyeliner from Rare Beauty, and it's in the shade True Black. The first thing you want to do is look straight at your mirror, go from the outer corner and go upwards. I'm going to tilt my head so you guys could see a little bit better. Just a straight line. Depending on which kind of wing you want, you could either go longer or shorter, but we're going with something right in the middle. The key is to make sure you're looking straight. I just want to emphasize that because if you look up like this and you try to do it, or you look down like this, or you close your eyes, it's just not going to be perfect when you open your eyes and look straight. After you're done with that line, you want to connect it to your actual eyelid, just like this, and shade it in. Do you guys see how perfect that is already? That was within seconds. How easy was that? Now, once you get into the desired shape, you want to just fill it in and make sure it's as dark as you want it. And then I'm taking an angled brush just like this, make it look seamless and natural. If you feel like you got a little too messy, you could just clean it up with your concealer brush. You don't need to add product on it. Clean it up with what's left already. That is exactly how I get my perfect wing liner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to IPSY's YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye!